Do you have challenges with your breath support when you're trying to speak? Maybe you're not speaking clear enough because you've got Parkinson's or aphasia, surviving stroke or brain injury. Taking control of your breath can really make a huge difference in your ability to communicate with people. So spend the next couple of minutes with me and I'll give you a simple breath control exercise that you can put into your daily routine and into your conversations and into your practice so you can speak more clearly and connect with people. I'm Kirsten. I'm so excited to have you. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe because we're about exercises, tips, and motivation for you to help you improve your speech. Breath control and breath support is a coordinated effort, and we're about to do an exercise that'll just take you a few moments to do with me. You can do it a few moments each day, and very importantly, you can put it into your daily routine. Hopefully you're speaking to people every day. As you see a person come in, or the phone rings, or your Zoom pops up and you're ready to talk with someone, you want to bring this to mind so that you can coordinate your good breath and your muscles to support your strong sound. And you should do it intentionally. And I'll bet if you have Parkinson's disease that you've been told to speak with intent, this is the first step to be intentional about the breath, which powers all of your sound. Are you ready? So I'll do it. You do it with me. It'll just take a couple minutes and it has 2 steps. Step number 1 is your fresh fueling breath in. Step number 2 is having your core muscles support that sound that you'll be making by using that breath you just took. So you're going to sit up a little tall in your seat with me, listen to it once, and then do it with me. My turn first. I'm just taking a fresh fueling breath in and I'm giving 3 puffs of air. Here I go. Ready? Here it goes. Breathing in. Do you feel that? Ready? Breathe in. Here it goes. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe in one more time and go. Take your hands, put them on your core muscles. I'm going to stand up just a little so you can see. Around here, you might want to be holding this. You might be able to see my hands move. Listen and watch. Could you see anything? I bet you can here. Ready with me? Breathe in and say. Now, I'm going to put it with a sound. And we might as well, we're in fall now. I think we should say this on those same 3 puffs of air. It's a rhythm and it's checking in with your muscles. Listen to it once and then you can do it with me. Ready? Breathe in. That's for fall, fall, fall. Very intentional. Ready? Breathe in. It goes. Then it says fall, fall, fall. Each time I'm doing that, my muscles are firing right here down in my core, right here. Ready? Breathe in. It goes. Breathe in. Fall, fall, fall. And I'm going to emphasize that F because that'll help my muscles really contract right there when I need it. One more time. Do that. Breathe in, fall, fall, fall. I can feel my muscles working, and I want to encourage you to just put your hands here on your stomach to see if you can feel any activity. That will help your brain coordinate with your muscles, cue them, and for your muscles to take action. On those 3 little puffs, let's do 2 more words that pertain to fall. So in the fall, the air is, things are changing. So listen to this. I'm going to say the word chilly, chilly, chilly. And I'm going to start with that CH sound. Listen once to what I'm doing and then you do it with me. Fresh fueling breath in and the 3 puffs on the ch, ch, ch of chilly. Listen, and then it's your turn. Ready? Breathing in. Ch, ch, ch. Then I say chilly, chilly, chilly. Did you hear that? Do that with me twice. Ready? Breathe in, it goes ch, ch, ch. Breathe in, chilly, chilly, chilly. One more time. Breathe in, ch, ch, ch. Breathe in, chilly, chilly, chilly. Can you feel your muscles working? As you do this, I promise you, and you can drop a comment and let me know how it goes. I promise you, your muscles will take more and more action. Your sound will be easier to support. You'll be more intentional about your breath. I've got one more for you. The air is getting cooler, and boy, a lot of people I know love the cooler air. Do you? You could drop a comment and let me know that too. So I'm going to say the k, k, k to start. Cool, cool, cool. Breathe in, I go. K, k, k. Breathe in, cool, cool, cool. You try it with me. Breathe in, k, k, k. Breathe in, cool, cool, cool. Breathe in, k, k, k. Breathe in, cool, cool, cool. Would you like to do all of those with me once? If you just went through this with me once a day, and remember to breathe in a fresh feeling way when you talk, you'll be in business. All right, so from the top, here we go. Ready? Breathe in and go. Do it again. Now fall with the F. Ready? Breathe in and say, breathe in, fall, fall, fall. Now we're going to do chilly with the CH. Are you ready? Fresh breath in. Ch, ch, ch. Breathe in. Chilly, chilly, chilly. Chilly, chilly, chilly. I'm concentrating on my muscles down here and putting my hand here too. And the last one is f, 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 and it'll be fall, fall, fall. Ready? Breathe in and say f, f, f. Now fall, 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 fall. Once more, fall, fall, fall. I know that you can learn to support your sound with better breath control, better breath support, and people will start to hear you better. You'll be clearer and louder, remembering that it's a fresh feeling breath in and your core muscles here supporting. And the best way to find those muscles, turn them on, train them, and engage them is the 3 puffs of air. Thank you for being here. I hope that you'll go on and watch the next video. I hope you'll subscribe if you're not. And come visit our website at beyondhighc.com, where you can see the online live classes we offer to help you improve your speech. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.